more comfortable? Being in your feelings, being in your thoughts, or taking action? Hello, this is Carme.Salvador. I'm specialized in sustainable high-performance teams. And in this video, I'm sharing the 3 levels of reality and how they are critical to the healthy functioning of teams. After watching this video, you will be able to understand why a team is not performing at its highest potential and what to do about it. According to Arnold Mindel's model, there are 3 levels of reality: essence level, dreaming level, and consensus reality level. Let's see what they mean. In essence level, all we have is just potential. It's only the tendency for something to happen. You can feel it, but there are no words to express it. It's experience, feelings, and sensations. Moving up, we have the dreaming level. It's where we begin to interpret the sensations from the essence level, and we give them meaning. It's a subjective definition of our experience. In the dreaming level, we have our hopes, fears, desires, worries, and expectations. Moving up, we have the consensus reality level. This level is measurable, concrete, and predictable. Here we have facts, and we take action according to our previous dreaming. Only a small part of our experience lives here. Let's give an example to clarify the 3 levels. Imagine that you meet someone for the first time. From the very first moment, you feel something about that person. It can be positive if you like the person, or negative if you don't like the person. It's what we call a first impression. This is the essence level. Just sensations, still difficult to describe. Then you begin to interact with that person, and in your mind, some thoughts begin to form. Oh, I like the way this person smiles. Her job is interesting. Maybe we could try to collaborate on some small project. This is the dreaming level. You are just imagining things and options, and eventually you decide to take action and invite her for a coffee. This is the consensus reality level. It may seem that our world is full of consensus reality, materialism and action, action, action. But actually, most of the time, we are in the dreaming level. Dreaming about the past, dreaming about the future, thinking what would have happened if, and so on. When we realize that life consists more of dreaming than anything else, we can start to loosen our attachment to consensus reality. It's crucial to see that the 3 levels are important on a team. If we had a team with no essence, there would be a lack of passion and aliveness. If there weren't dreaming, there wouldn't be a space to express emotions, desires, worries, and so on. And if there weren't consensus reality, nothing would get done. In other words, too much consensus reality generates burnout and soullessness. And too much of essence and dreaming levels, nothing will get done. Also, it's interesting to observe that new relationships are full of essence and dreams, and maybe weak in terms of taking action and moving forward, which is the consensus reality. In contrast, mature relationships or teams that have been together for a long time may show a lack of emotion, passion. It will be helpful to know that all the 3 levels are needed, and they should be respected in order for them to work effectively. Ideally, the 3 levels should be in a good balance. Sometimes what seems like an argument between people is just different levels colliding. Think about a team that you are part of and identify which is the most prominent level and which level is missing. You can leave your comments below. In the description of the video, you can find information of a 4-hour workshop about how to balance the 3 levels and have a sustainable high-performance team. And if you are thinking about becoming a systems coach, you will find a link to CRR, Center for Right Relationship. The school specialized worldwide in team coaching training. Have a nice day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.